Friends, welcome to the aptitude lecture classes. Friends, in this session we'll start a new concept, new topic, which is profit, loss and discount. Profit, loss and discount. Friends, profit, loss and discount is very important in aptitude because it plays a major role. It is very important because it will be used in daily life. Profit, loss will be used in daily life, because if you go to a stock market, if you go to a shop, if you go for a shop, we'll be asking discount, how much discount they are selling, so that how much profit they are getting, how much loss they are getting. We should know all these things because it's a basic now. So that the profit, loss and discount is very important. It nearly in all competitive exams or in placements, profit, loss and discounts will be there. Without this, they will not prepare any question paper. So that, friends, please put your concentration on profit, loss and discounts. Very important. Friends, discount will discuss later, because if we understand profit and loss, then only we can understand discount. So what I do now, I'll discuss profit, loss. In the middle of the profit and losses, we'll get discount. We won't do any particular concept on discount. Friends, let me. What is profit? What is profit? What is loss? Friends, see, assume that I bought a pen. I bought a pen. I bought a pen for 100 rupees. I bought a pen for 100 rupees. I am selling it for 120 rupees. So this is selling price now. This is cost price. Cost price means for which price I have bought that. Selling price means for which price I'm selling that. So assume that I bought a pen for 100 rupees. I'm selling it for 120 rupees. What is my, either I'm getting profit or loss? I'm getting profit, and how much I'm getting profit? I'm getting 20 rupees profit now. In the same manner, assume that I have bought a pen for 100 rupees. This is cost price. Let me assume that I'm selling it for 100 rupees, 80 rupees. I bought the pen for 100 rupees. Due to some reasons, I have sell it for 80 rupees. What is my loss? Then I'll get loss, and 20 rupees is loss for me. So what is nothing but, if whenever selling price is greater than cost price, then only I'll get profit, right or not? So profit means if selling price greater than cost price is profit. What is loss? Selling price is less than cost price. If selling price is less than cost price, then I'll get loss, right or not? So what we can conclude that here, profit is, what is the profit? 20 rupees. How I got 20 rupees? 120 minus 100 now. That is, profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. What is loss? Loss is cost price minus selling price, right or no? Because 80 minus 100, how much? Cost price minus selling price, how much? 80, 20. So 20 is the loss, right or no, friends? 20 is the loss. How will you get profit percentage? How will you get? See, friends, profit percentage. So profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. Why I kept cost price, we'll discuss. Loss percentage is how much? Loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is nothing but loss by cost price into 100. We'll discuss. How much the profit here? 20 now. What is cost price? 100 now. So 100 into 100, which is nothing but 20% is the profit. In the same way, what is loss? Loss is 20 now. This is 100 now. This is 100 now. So 100 will get cancelled. 20% is the loss. So 20% is the profit. 20% is the loss. By, see, friends, A by B into 100 means what? A is compared with B now. A is compared with B. Right or no, friends? Right or not? So in the same manner, profit by cost price means we are comparing the profit with cost price, right or not? We are comparing the profit by cost price. See, while I am discussing here now, what is the profit here? 20 rupees. So 20 rupees is compared with what? 120 rupees or 100 rupees? It is compared with 100 rupees only, because I bought it for 100 rupees. I sold it for 120 rupees. I got a profit. So how much profit I am getting? I am getting 20 rupees profit. On which cost price now? Here what? I lost 20 rupees. I lost 20 rupees. 20 rupees is lost from which? 100 rupees now. Right, our friends? Are you getting the point? So this is what. So always profit or loss should be compared with cost price. So that's what profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. In the same manner, loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Cost price into 100. Getting the point, friends? Are you getting the concept? Now let me go through some few sums so that you will get conclusion. Let me imagine that I got a profit of 20%. Let me imagine that profit of 20%. If profit is 20%, na, so 20% of CP, 20% of cost price. See, in this 20% of 100 means how much? 20, na? So I'm getting 20% of profit means 20% of 100 how much? 20% means how we write, friends? 20 by 100 into 100, na? So therefore 20, na? Right or not, friends? So this is, let me go through one example. Let me go, tell me that cost price is equal to 20, selling price is equal to 24. What is, find profit or loss percentage? This is the question they asked. So how we'll do this, friends? So here selling price is greater than cost price, definitely we'll get profit now, so cancel that loss percentage. So here since SP greater than CP, profit is equal to what is selling price minus cost price, now which is that met 4. So profit percentage is equal to 4 by profit percentage is equal to profit by CP. What is CP here? 20, na? So 24 by 20 into 100. Right or no, friends? So 20, 25 is there, which is nothing but 20%. Profit is 20%. Friends, did you get this? Now let me go through very important problems. These are some of the few sums which we have to discuss. Let me assume that cost price is equal to 400, profit is equal to 20%. So friends, what I told, profit percentage is equal to 20%. Now, so what this 20%? 20% of CP, na? So 20% of CP means 20 by 100 into, right or no, friends? Are you getting the concept? So profit percentage is equal to 20%, 20% of CP, na? 20 by 100 into what is cost price? 400, na? So 400 4, which is nothing but 80. So profit is how much? 80 rupees. Now what here selling price, now we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So we got profit of 80, right or no, friends? 80 is equal to SP minus what is CP? 400, na? So SP is equal to 480 rupees. So selling price is equal to 480 rupees. Now let me go through the solution. He given selling price is equal to 600, profit is equal to 20, but you ask cost price. So what we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus percentage, profit percentage. So selling price is equal to cost price. So percentage is what? 20% of CP, right or no, friend? So selling price given 60. So cost price is how much? You take CP common here, right or no, friends? Because this is 100% CP now, right or no, friends? 100% CP now. One CP means 100%, because if I get 100% now, so 100 by 100 into 100, right or no, friends? We'll get 100 now. So 100% of CP. If I take CP common now, what I'll get? If I get CP common, 100% plus 20%, right or no, friends? So 600 is equal to 120% of CP now, right or no, friends? 120% of CP now. So 120% is equal to 600, right or no? What is the relation between here? Into 5 now. For 100%, how much it will be? Into 5, which is nothing but 500. So 500 is the cost price. Friends, did you get this? You might have gone in this you might get confused in here. Let me conclude this. Let me give a clarity on this. So selling price is equal to 120% of CP, right or no, friends? But 120%, na, always it should be 100%, no, right or not? It should be 100%, na. So for 120% it is 600. What is the relation between here? Into 5, na. For 100% also it should be into 5, na, 500, right? Friends, I don't recommend this and all. This is very tough. Not tough, this is somewhat difficult. What I do now, very shortcut. See, cost price, selling price. What is the cost price given here? 400, na. What is profit percentage? 20%. Profit means it is increase only, na. It is increasing 20%. 20%. So 20% of 400 how much? 20 by 100 into 400. within the hospital 100 480 80 rupees I'm increasing. What is selling price? 480, right or not? Within one step it was finished now. Now let me go through the third solution. Selling price profit is 20% CP. Friends, for this you just go through my percentages. I have already done that one. I'll finish those who are seeing now. You cannot get my percentages videos. We'll be discussing after finishing profit loss. This is only introduction part. I'll go through percentages and averages for a better improvement of profit loss and discounts. So follow this. Now see friends, he asked cost price he haven't given na. So cost price haven't. Selling price is what he's given, 600 na. Selling price is equal to 600. What is profit? Profit is nothing but 20% is the profit. So friends, this here you have to understand, if not mentioned CP na, you just take it as 100, right or no friends? So what is 20% of 100? What is 20% of 100? What is 20% of 1? If so, 20% is nothing but, see friends, are you getting this? Initially he given that selling price is equal to 600. Cost price, he didn't mention cost price no. If not mention cost price, you just take it as 100. So what is 20% of 100? So I'm increasing 20 now, because 20 by 100 into 100, so 100 and gets 20%. So how much? 120. But what he given 600 now. What is the relation between 600 and 120? 600 by 120 is nothing but into 5 now. So this is also into 5. 500. What I got here? 500 now. Right friends? Did you get this? Okay friends. Now let me go through one of the. Now let's do some loss. See friends, he mentioned selling price, loss and CP. So if he didn't mention CP now, let me assume that 100. What is loss? Loss is 10%. What is 10% of 100? 10 rupees only now. So 10 rupees is the loss. So I'm decreasing 10%. What is selling price now? It is 90. So what he given? 990 now. What is the relation between here? To find relation between here, you just do 990 by 90. So 11 now. So into 11 means definitely it should be into 11. So what is it? 1100. This is cost price is equal to 1100. Friends, to get this, friends, for this part, I recommend you to watch my percentages lecture, so that you will get a clear idea. Now go through this. By selling an article for Rs 7000, so selling given us, so given that selling price, a man gain 23%. Gain means profit now. Find it CP. So what he given? He haven't mentioned CP now. I should take CP as 100. Right or no friend? What is the profit now? 23% now. So 23% of 100 means how much? 23. So now selling price is equal to 123. But what he mentioned, selling price is equal to 7011 now. What is the relation between here? 7011 by 123, which is nothing but 57. So definitely it will be also into 57, which is nothing but 5700. So 5700 is the cost price. Initially 5700, he bought it for 5700. He get a profit of 23%. Means what is the selling price? 700. He given selling price, so profit is 20%. Cost price is 5700. This is very important question. See this. By selling an article for Rs 450, a man loses 10%. Definitely loses means he got a loss now. Find his gain or loss percent if he sells it for Rs 540. Friends, this is a very important question. Did you get this question? Have you understood this question initially? So let me solve with what he told now. By selling an article, so selling means selling price. See, for selling an article for 450, he got a loss of how much? 10% loss now. Initially find his gain or loss percent if he sells it for 540. If he sells it for 540, what is profit or loss percentage? Is how much he's asking. Is how much he's asking. Friends, basically what I told you, profit and loss, for profit and loss we should find what? Cost price na. So initially cost price should be found na to find profit, because profit is equal to profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price na. So he haven't mentioned cost price na. So what should I take? I should find CP now. How can I find CP? So let me CP SP. So he haven't mentioned CP now. I'll take it as 100. What he got, if he sells it for 450, got a 10% loss. So loss means 10% loss means, what is 10% of 100, which is the 10 by 90 na. But what he given 450 na. So 450, what is the relation between here? 450 by 90 into 5 na. So definitely it be into 5. So what is the cost price now? 500 is the cost price. In the same manner, so now what is the, so selling price is, cost price is equal to 500, selling price is equal to 450. So what is the profit now? 50. What is the profit now? Friends, did you get this? Assume that, friends, have you got the point? So selling price is 500, cost price is 500, selling price is 450. Right or no, friends? He got a 10% loss. Now what he done, if he sells it for 540, what is the, either he getting profit or loss? He'll getting profit now. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. So what is the profit? That is 20 rupees profit now. So 20 by 500 into 100, which is nothing but profit is 4% profit. Friends, have you got this? You just go rewind. If you have any doubts, please put it in comment box. I'll discuss with you. Let's go through this, friends. Ram sold an article at a profit of 11%. Had he sold it for Rs 175 more, he would have gained 18%. Find its CP. Friends, did you get this? This is somewhat tricky. Question is not tricky. It is somewhat confusing, I think. Ram sold an article at a profit of 11%. Had he sold it for Rs 175 more, he would have gained 18%. Find its CP. Friends, let me do this. Have we mentioned anywhere selling price, cost price? You haven't mentioned. Nah. Let me assume that cost price is 100. Now Ramu sold an article at a profit of 11%. So he 11% profit he got. Now what is this? 11. But had he sold it for Rs 175 more, he would have gained 18%. Find its CP. In the same, if he sold it for 18% profit now, what is now? This is 118. What is the difference between here? 7 rupees. No, for you'll getting 7 rupees more than this now. This he given, which is nothing but 175. Now you will get this. So 1 cent. What is the relation between here? 175 by 7, which is nothing but 25. So this is into 25 means definitely it will be into 25 now. So 2500. Friends, have you get this? Did you get this, friends? Friends, with this I am closing this session. We'll be discussing the one more concept is the markup concept. I'll discuss with you. Thank you, friends. Please follow the lecture videos. Thank you.